of all, how was your travel? How are you?
Hi there guys, how are we all doing on this beautiful Thursday? Quick little update here as BTC breaks the end of level boss and cracks the 100k supply. Absolutely phenomenal stuff. Well done to everyone that has been playing. Whether you're in derivatives, whether you're holding spot or whatever, absolutely brilliant stuff from everyone. So end of level boss cracked, game over, or do we get some continuation? So beginning of the week and in the last video we were looking at some levels lower. We had a little bit of a breakdown at the beginning of the week, didn't we? And then we were considering the 90k level. It's interesting to see that as the week went on, the open interest was very, very chilled. Commented that in the Discord, on the live sessions with DK as well. And in some of the tweets, open interest very, very, very chilled. But yesterday and over the last 24-48 hours, interestingly enough, we were getting some volume divergences down here into this lows as BTC just auctioned this range. Someone was willing on Binance Spot to defend that 94k area. And then we rose up to the 9900k area for another battle again. We all know what's happened. If you're watching this video, obviously we all know what's happened since then. But yeah, if you are not in the Discord, come and join us in the Discord because we do try and update as much as possible on the live sessions and the like. I think DK for the last couple of live sessions, DK the boss, main man at TRDR.io, has been saying, look, if we revisit the 100k level, we are going to crack it. I was in total agreement as well. Didn't know whether we'd get that lower bid, but you know, yesterday, here we go again. Caution if shorting. This area is now old. Spot supply is heavy. OI very low and chilled, and I commented that, 24 hours previous to this move. Summary, probably cracks 100k. That was at 8 o'clock my time. I went and got some absolute beauty sleep. Woke up this morning to some phenomenal stuff. But we've had some good trading all round anyway. Even over the last 24 hours, if you wanted to put some short hedges in, we've had some good trading. Maker was a good one there, as you can see, if anyone was playing those, just to hedge some downside. So Maker was a good short yesterday to hedge any downside against your longs. And Pendle also, I think DK pointed this one out in the Telegram and on the live. You had a good 45 minutes to get in that short to hedge any downside against your long. So really, really good stuff. Let's go and have a look at the levels in trading view. So here we go, daily levels right on that daily fib time, pushing onwards and upwards. I've got a couple of things to show you in the TRDR console as well. So onwards and upwards, where can we go from here? Uponly.com, I think. To be honest, I mean, we're in price discovery. Best guess, if we do come back down, the only thing you can look for is the order flow and say, right, okay, do we do a resistance to support flip, back down at this 100k? At the minute, we're still getting bid up, okay? So no real speculation from me here on Bitcoin. We could just keep going. We're in price discovery. Fuck knows, yeah, like in Popcat here, I like the way Popcat's ground off and is just holding this zone back on trend. I think we get some continuation on Popcat. Nice to see it. Right, let's go and have a look at the order flow and some levels and liquidity as well, also in the TRDR console.
Well, in my book, you either do it right or you get eliminated.
Right then, here we go, TRDR console. Go grab a link from below for a free trial and join us in the absolute matrix of data. Right, so yeah, we've got these levels. So as I say, that spot buyer came in at 94, didn't quite get a fill, but they were defending price there. Perp's bid was good last 48, 24, 48 hours, and we've rose up. This was our zone. You can already see you've got some Perps and some spot bid right here getting involved for any resistance to support flip. That's the area I would be looking. If we do go down there, as the alts get the liquidity sucked from them, and they don't know what the hell to do, you'll notice that yesterday's Bitcoin rose up here. Some alts absolutely dropped as the liquidity got sucked away. That is the exact same scenario we got when we broke 20k back in 2020. Bitcoin absolutely ripped and alts dropped a little bit. It's a very old school way of viewing things, but that happened then. So yeah, good levels here. We're just going to have to watch as the day progresses. I'm not going to dive into alts too much. Join us in the TRDR Discord, links below, for a live session during the US session, and we will see what's going on there. One thing I just do want to point out to you guys is the liquidity. Okay, I'm just going to look at it on a 4-hour. Look at this. Yeah, everyone had shorts hiding at 101k, didn't they? Because the books, the order books, perpetuals here have been absolutely wiped out. Spot market, all those orders got filled. They've absolutely sold out and they're going to have to buy back. They've sold 99k and they're going to have to buy back at 100k. Well played, you absolute retardiers, okay? Open interest very, very high here still. That's obviously going to be high, okay? There's a lot of people vying for positions. I wasn't watching this last night at the time. It wouldn't surprise me if this open interest got a flush as we took out those shorts and then it's just risen back up as people chase positions again now, okay? So yeah, nice to see that. But yeah, some good levels coming in on BTC in the coming 24 hours if we can get any drops. If we drop down to this level, that's where I'd be looking for some alt exposure, because obviously if BTC drops, dominance probably slightly on the rise again. Alts may suffer a tiny bit as well. Let's see what we get. Join us in the live session on Discord a little bit later. Have a great week. Cheers, guys.
I bet your margins are pretty nice and fat.
Let's not talk about my margins, by the way. Being nice and fat. That's a nice shirt. Do they make it for men?